In this video, I'm going to show how evidence can be assessed. I'll sign in, and you'll see there it's highlighting for me that I have a piece of evidence that needs assessing. Now, this section here, when you first log in, whether you log in as an assessor, IQA, or learner, always shows 3 tasks that need doing. So if there's more than 3, they can be found in the Actions tab there, and it will show you how many you have by the number in the red disk. So for this one, I'm going to click View, and it's showing me here by the image that it's a recording, all the information. So I can click here. That will start the recording playing, and then I can decide, yes, that is the correct evidence. If it was something that's been uploaded in error, I can reject it, and it will then ask me to make a statement on the system as to why I'm rejecting that evidence. So it creates the audit trail for any quality assurance checking that needs to be done. So I click Accept, and then it presents the units in this student's or this learner's portfolio. It shows you the summary of the units. I then just need to click that and select the relevant units I think it goes towards. And you'll see here, here's the actual content of this unit, and it has 2 options, full and partial. So if I ticked full, I am stating that the evidence I'm assessing clearly covers all requirements of that, and I don't need that covered again. If I tick partial, there's a text box there to put in why. So for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to say full, 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 but partial here. And so anyone that checks this evidence or refers to it will know that I have the reason why. Is I'm going to copy that there and put in there and so on, and I can carry on doing the same again. And I could say that's the reason why I'm now going to tick this as partial and tick those as full. I'm going to put in there and so on. Again, for the purpose of this exercise, I'm just going to tick full. For that, go down to the bottom, check if there's any others, and then assign it. So it asks me, are you sure you wish to assign this piece of evidence to this unit? Yes. And then I can go to the next unit. It gives me a summary there. I can then select the next unit and do the same again. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to tick full there. You do not need to upload the evidence for each unit you're going to be assessing it to, as you would in a paper-based portfolio. You just have it in the folder once and then assign it to the relevant units and criteria it meets the requirements of. And then just click Assign again. Yes. If I now feel that's covered all it needs, or all it can cover, I give it a final statement. And then sign it off there. It says, are you sure you wish to save this? It will no longer be possible to change the assessment decision made against this piece of evidence. So I click OK there. Now it's linking all that. I click OK. And it shows. Now, on the other screen, it said, yeah, I'll not be able to change this. But should I need to reuse this piece of evidence, I can create a clone of it. So it copies it and puts it back into the evidence to be assessed. So it could be that I still need this. I can change the title if I want. It may be that actually I closed it down prematurely, in which case I need to use it against another unit. It's now back in there. So this one doesn't have the assess option because it's been done. But now I can actually redo this. I may need to edit it because actually it does need the title changed. And you'll see now it's got observation 2. Thank you.